Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
With the exception of New Hampshire, all states and the District of Columbia require adult front seat occupants to use seat belts. Adult rear seat passengers also are covered by the laws in 31 states and the District of Columbia.
Let's help you make your mark.
While the law may not mandate that you wear your seatbelt as a backseat passenger, it's still a good idea to buckle up. Since 2007, Louisiana, Minnesota, Indiana, Kansas and Texas have passed similar laws requiring seat belts for passengers in the front seat and the back seat of motor vehicles.
Take our lead.
Primary front seat belt law and secondary rear seat belt law. 5 states: Alabama, Kansas, Maryland, New Jersey and North Carolina. Secondary laws for all occupants. 6 states: Idaho, Massachusetts, Montana, Nevada, Vermont and Wyoming.
Let's help you make your mark.
For the same reason as heavy trucks don't. A seatbelt is of most use where a collision causes rapid deceleration. Trains carry so much momentum that they do not stop rapidly, even in very severe collisions.
Let's help you make your mark.
To the question of whether officers are required to wear seatbelts, the answer is not at all times. But it's important to note that police are not exempt from wearing seatbelts just because they're on duty. Officers are encouraged to wear seatbelts while on duty.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.